I've received a lot of questions about my new KUVINGS Auto10 Plus. It comes with a larger container, which makes prep time super easy and allows you to add big pieces of fruits and vegetables to the container to make juicing super easy. It's really nice for people who like to make a lot of juice. Now, personally, I only juice once a week, and I'm always mindful to use mostly vegetables and sweeten it with just a little bit of fruit. But for those who juice every day, this machine makes that process super easy. And right now, it's on sale for 30% off. So if you've been thinking about getting a nice juicer like this, now would be a good time. But regardless of what juicer you use, remember to always juice mindfully and keep your vegetable to low sugar fruit ratio high when you break out your juicer and make your own. All right, guys, and just like that, I've made all this juice, enough for a whole week in one session. 3 different juices, no cutting, no problem. My new Auto 10 Plus stainless steel blade, make your own.